Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we will see how to make onion rice. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and fry some cashew nuts. When it turns light brown, take it out and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, saute 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger and 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. When the garlic turns light brown, add 2 finely sliced onions, 1 finely chopped green chilli and a little salt. When it turns light brown, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 3 cups of cooked rice. Mix well. Check salt and if you want, add a little more. Turn off the flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves and the fried cashew nuts. Mix well. Now it's ready to serve. Please do try and post your feedback.